If you want to install Flow in After Effects, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Flow. Click on the first website that appears and wait for it to load. If you want to buy the plugin, click on Add to Cart, but if you just want to try it for free, click on Try and your download will start. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to the folder where you downloaded the Flow extension. Open the zip file and before extracting the ZXP file, right-click on it and select Rename. Remove the ZXP extension and rename it to Zip. Now, extract this zip file. Next, right-click on the new zip file, hover your mouse over WinRAR and select Extract to followed by the folder name. This will extract the zip file into a folder. Now, copy the extracted folder. Go to your C drive, then open Program Files, x86. Inside, find the Common Files folder, then open the Adobe folder. Look for the folder labeled CEP and open it. Inside, open the Extensions folder and paste the copied folder here. Open After Effects and go to the top menu bar. Click on Window, then hover your mouse over the Extensions option and the Flow plugin will appear. That's how you install Flow in After Effects. Thanks for watching.